Can I hold you? Maddie, you're in the way. Come on.
Ready?
Come here.
Let's go.
Come here, let me hold you. Let's
Sure.
Go check on Brayden. Here, let's go check on Brayden. Yeah, let's just look at her.
You don't need anybody helping you. See?
Hey!
No other way, Zach.
There you go. Now down. Right?
There you go. Flip the rope over the top.
Yeah.
Flip. There you go.
What's the matter, Brad? What's the matter?
Let's go.
Come here, Brady.
Let's somebody yellow jacket.
Ray. Come here, buddy. Come down the slide.
Relax, guys. Relax, Chris. Relax. All right, you got to step yourself, Ryan. You got it. Shoot down.
Wrapped on. I go. Those are pads. Those pads aren't very thick.
Things are there for a reason. That's not good.
Those pads aren't very thick. That's what I kept saying.
You got to stop yourself.
Thank you, sweetie. Look at that face. Get a picture of his face.
Yep, Michelle, get Maddie out of the way. You're going to kick her right in the head and knock her out.
Zach, let him out. Get out of the way. Don't let go, dude.
Don't let go. Swim hard. Swim hard. You can do it.
Yay!
You got to hold on to it, Ryan. You cannot let go, dude.
Ryan, let go and pull the rope. The rope's over top of the wire. Hold tight.
Woohoo!